Hi, Olivia, Kieran, and anyone else who might be watching. Like I said, we have more Mo. Mo. But this time it is Pigs Make Me Sneeze.
Gerald! What do you want to do today?
I want,
Yes?
uh,
A what?
uh,
A ball? A swim? A hat?
chew!
Sniff.
Are you okay?
I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop chew! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak. It is too late. I, ah, 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 chew. Goodbye.
Gerald!
Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold!
Good for you.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.